Welcome to GCSE Biology, where we uncover the secrets of the microscopic universe. Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll be a pro at understanding microscopes and ace those exam questions. Before microscopes, the world only saw what the naked eye could see. In 1665, Robert Hooke used a microscope to look at cork and discovered cells. Since then, microscopes have helped us explore everything from bacteria to our own DNA. Light microscopes use, well, light. They're great for viewing living cells in colour, and they're perfect for school labs. But if you need to see really, really tiny details, like viruses, you'll need an electron microscope. These use beams of electrons for a mind-blowing level of detail. Let's break down every single part of the microscope you need to know for your GCSEs and make it super easy to remember. Know your microscope and score higher in exams. First up, let's see the big picture. A microscope might look complicated, but it's really just a few key parts working together: the base, the stage, the lenses, and a light source. The base is the heavy bottom part. Its job? To keep the microscope stable. Think of it as the foundation of a house. No wobble, no trouble. The arm connects the top to the base. And here's an exam tip. Always carry a microscope by the arm and the base to avoid dropping it. Trust me, your teacher will thank you. The stage is where you place your slide. It usually has little clips to hold the slide in place, kind of like a phone holder for your specimen. Most microscopes have a built-in light or a mirror to shine light through your specimen. Without this, you'd be staring at, well, darkness. The eyepiece, also called the ocular lens, is what you look through. It usually magnifies by ×10, giving you a close-up view of your sample. These are the main objective lenses. Most school microscopes have 3 objective lenses. Low power ×4 for scanning. Medium power ×10 for general viewing. High power ×40 for super close detail. These knobs help you bring the image into focus. Coarse focus moves the stage, perfect for starting out. Fine focus makes tiny adjustments so you can get a crystal clear image. Think coarse equals big moves. Fine equals tiny tweaks. Here's a quick way to remember the main parts. Just think bat slough, base, arm, table, stage, source of light, lenses, objective lenses, focus knobs. Here's the formula you need to know for your exam. Magnification is image size divided by actual size. Use the triangle method to rearrange the formula. Example problem. A cell image is 50 millimeters wide. The actual cell is 0.05 millimeters. What is the magnification? That's a magnification of 1,000 times. If this video helped, hit like, share it with a friend, and subscribe for more GCSE science hacks.